Hi, I'm working on the shop in preparation for teaching this weekend. I have 3 classes that through DIYJoint that we're running here, and what I want to make sure is that all my tools perform well, because it's really hard to have a student try to use a tool that's not sharp or not running well. So I always want to make sure that everything is just right. So I started out by cleaning some blades and making sure that they were sharp, and I'm going to install that. And now I'm going to sharpen some of my tools, and I thought I might run a little video on how I go about doing that. I have 4 different stones here. This is the roughest, which is an 800, 3000, 8000, and a 10,000 and a 12,000. I have a plate here for flattening the stones. To get your blades nice and sharp, a lot of people first flatten their stones because this allows the blade to get sharp all the way across a straight edge. You want to have lots of water when you flatten your stones on the diamond plate, but you don't want to contaminate the water in such a way that you scratch a fine stone. So I flattened this stone, which is the finest of the stones, and then I go here and I'll flatten this, and do this for a little bit. I'll show you how it's starting to flatten out, and you see a pencil mark that I draw on the stones, and once the pencil mark is gone, then it's flat. So since this is a little coarser of a stone, this is an 8000, any 12,000 grit on the plate won't actually scratch this stone. So you can see how that goes. Once we get it to that clean, go through the rest of the stones, and then they're ready to put a fine edge on my planes and chisels, and also my scrapers.